Umnyango wezempilo eFree State usuvule icala kulandela umlayezo oqoshwe ngephimpo osabalele ozwakala usabisa onompilo abasebenza ngegciwane COVID-19. Umnyango uthi lomlayezo ungase uphazamise imizamo yawo yokuhlola abantu abahlolela iCoronavirus.
Bathuka izanya onompilo beCovid-19. Kule nkulumo eqoshiwe kuzwakala wesilisa egqugquzela umphakathi uthi uhlasele lamavolontiya angena indlu nendlu ehlola abantu. Isola labonompilo ngokusabalalisa leli gciwane. Uhulumeni ukhathazekile ukuthi lo mkhankaso uzophazamiseka.
We don't know what gives people the privilege or the right to say that we are already having this virus. It's very difficult to having to work in such conditions.
This is very sad. I must tell you, even now I'm shaking. I'm not feeling well.
Inhlangano iRed Cross yelekelela onompilo selokhu uqale ukubhebhetheka kwegciwane. Bacela 19 onompilo beRed Cross abasabalele nesifundazwe sonke.
This is actually frustrating our volunteers because some of them are even scared to go back and continue with the assessment. But we will brief them and we will see with the assistance from our MEC and the department itself to see that this person can actually be arrested.
Uhulumeni uthi uzothatha isinyathelo zomthetho.
Police must find that person because that person is committing crime himself, because now he's creating panic in the community and also panic with the volunteers because they are afraid now to go to the communities because this person is saying they must be shot.
Ngokomthetho we-lockdown umuntu olahlwa icala lokusabalalisa izindaba ezingamampunge nge-COVID-19 angagwetshwa izinyanga eziyisithupha ebhadle ejele noma ahlawuliswe.